Got an old sweater lying around? Don't toss it. Turn it into super cozy DIY gloves in just a few minutes. Grab a fuzzy old sweater or a thick fabric scrap and fold it in half. Then grab another piece in a color you like and fold that one in half too. Stack them together, but offset the top layer by about 2 inches so you get that extra warmth and padding. Place your hand on top of the fabric and trace around it with a pen or fabric marker. If you're making these for someone else, trace their hand instead. And if the fabric doesn't stretch much, trace a little bigger so the gloves fit comfortably. Once you've got the outline, just run it through your sewing machine and follow the line you drew. This method makes creating warm gloves super simple. Old sweaters, stretchy base layers, if it has some give, it'll work. These gloves can fit adults and even little babies if you size them right. Leave about 1/4 inch for the seam allowance, then trim off the excess fabric. If you enjoy videos like this, tap that little heart with those lucky hands of yours. Really appreciate it. Now flip the glove inside out from the first layer. It should look nice and clean. Fold the extra fabric on the inside outward, then stitch all the way around to secure everything. And that's it. Easy, warm, and cozy gloves. Perfect for morning runs, evening walks, or staying warm during outdoor activities.